We have some big breaking news now coming in on the Supreme Court verdict on stray dogs. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has called it a step back. He's called the blanket removal as a cruel decision. Rahul Gandhi says strays are not a problem. Shelters and sterilisation is the solution. Well, the Supreme Court's directive to remove all stray dogs from Delhi-NCR is a step back from decades of humane, science-backed policy. This is what Rahul Gandhi says. He's clearly not convinced by the Supreme Court's verdict. He says these voiceless souls are not the problems to be erased, and shelters, sterilisation, vaccination and community care can keep the streets safe without cruelty. My colleague Ishika also now joins us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Ishika, big statement now coming in from Rahul Gandhi. Clearly looks like he's not very much convinced by the Supreme Court verdict that came out yesterday.
Well, yes, certainly, now as you rightly mentioned, after yesterday's Supreme Court directions, especially regarding the stray dog issue in the Delhi-NCR region, a big statement coming from Rahul Gandhi, and he clearly says that this Supreme Court's directive is in fact a step back from decades of humane and science-backed policy. He has also here in his, post said that these voiceless souls are not problems to be erased, as it has been pointed out in the Supreme Court's hearing. He also goes on to say that shelter, sterilisation, vaccination and community care can keep streets safe without cruelty, and that blanket removals are cruel, short-sighted and strip us of compassion. So certainly, we have also been covering as to how after the Supreme Court's directions, there have been reactions coming, from top politicians to the people here on the ground. And, the entire, if we talk about India, is divided into now two sects. One, clearly, in fact, including Rahul Gandhi, calling this entire decision, rather directions, very cruel and inhumane, while the other welcoming this. So certainly remains to be seen as to how, the coming days will pan out.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much, Ishika, for getting us those details there. Well, that's the statement coming in from Rahul Gandhi.